Is your cutting costing too much? Are you waiting too long for parts? ART is proud to release the new Smart XR Plasma Profile Cutter. This versatile machine has a small footprint while maintaining a large work area. Available in 1.6 and 1.9 meter wide process areas, it is designed to work with most commonly available sheet and plate sizes. What sets the Smart XR Plasma Profile Cutter apart from the crowd is its high level of performance and features. The large friendly touchscreen controller runs the latest version of ART Profile Shop. This gives unparalleled control over the job while maintaining simplicity of use. The Smart XR Plasma Profile Cutters are fully integrated with Hypertherm's 4th generation PowerMax plasma torches. On-screen displays give up-to-date information on settings. Plain English messages warn of low gas pressure and other information to make cutting a breeze through the comprehensive internal database. Digitizing is another feature that allows you to easily reverse engineer manual patterns either for immediate cutting or exporting back to your CAD program. The latest high-speed AC servo motors are coupled with quality German planetary gearheads and rack and pinion drives. These, coupled with advanced motion control algorithms, combine to give the highest quality cut available with air plasma. Non-contact height sensing, along with ART's intelligent torch height control, provide optimal height during cutting for great results and long consumable life. The ART XR Series Plasma Profile Cutter will become your hardest working employee. With on-site training, phone support and long warranties, you can be confident that you've made the right choice. ART, the trusted name in CNC technology.